G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's February 22, 2024. This is the German DAX market update. We're bullish on all time frames. However, just be careful, we're also got a bearish divergence on all time frames also. So we might see a reversal anytime soon. So just hold any positions for the moment until we see a more clearer direction, and if it breaks above that resistance or whether it bounces to the downside. So what we have here is the weekly, daily and hourly timeframes, and you can interchange any of these timeframes with your own preferences if you like the 4 hour for example. So we look at the weekly, it's still in a bullish ADX 25 momentum. The ADX is also bullish on the daily and likewise bullish on the hourly. So we're getting new highs, obviously, on all timeframes. Now, do notice also we've got bearish divergence still in play on all timeframes as well, on the weekly versus those highs, on the daily and on the hourly. Now, these divergences are not always aligned across the time frames. In other words, you might have a divergence on the daily but not on the hourly or the weekly, and so on and so forth. So these are all independent divergence, and it's still showing us bearish divergence on all of them. Now, our multiple indicator here, which indicates a possible trend reversal, is not showing any bearish arrows yet on this high on the daily, nor on the weekly, although we've got these bearish arrows on the weekly and the daily, which still means a bearish potential downturn. On the hourly, however, we did have bullish arrows here, which pushed it higher, and now we've got this one so far, bearish arrow to the downside on the hour time frame. Now, to understand how to draw these, I've got links in the description below, so feel free to look at those up separately. But at the moment, I'll be careful about going long until we see a more, some of these divergences fail. And by that stage, we need to see this, at least on the hourly, that's break higher than that point there, in which case we'll see the price break much higher than this resistance. Likewise, on the daily, we need to see this break higher than the entry point, and so on. So I might have a bit of a way to go. The prices still may go higher, but again, I'd like to see this divergence fail to be more confident about going long. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button. Reference some of the videos in our descriptions attached below. Support us more on the Patreon page where we look at weekly scans of stocks. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.